In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to register on Binance, and Binance is one of the exchanges we use to trade. We are not going to be using Binance for margin trading. It's just going to be for normal buying and selling cryptocurrency for profit. So let's get started. So Binance.com. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all the links below this video. You click on register and then email. So make sure you use your personal email, most preferably email that you've never used before, because you want to make your account really secure. This is my email, and then password as a password. So agree to the terms and condition and then create account. So drag this. So a code will be sent to your email. So all you need to do is just go to your inbox and check the code. This is the code. Copy it into your clipboard and then paste it here. So you can see success. So this is Binance. All we need to do is go to the dashboard. This is what an exchange looks like. So for security purpose, you are going to be setting up your phone verification. If you want, you can either use phone verification or Google Authenticator. So if you are going to be using Google Authenticator, which is this one, you have to download it on your phone and set it up yourself. You can also use phone verification, which is you add your phone number to it. So every time you want to log in, every time you want to make withdrawal or any transaction in and out of the account, code will be sent to your phone number. You can do that on your own later. As you can see, there's nothing in this account. Is virtually empty. So we have the spot wallet. This is where you find the physical cryptocurrency. So if you have Bitcoin, this is where you find it. If you have XRP, this is where you find it. If you have Litecoin, this is where you find it. If you want to check your available balance, all you need to do is go to wallet and then click on fiat and spot wallet. This is where you're going to see all the coins you have on your account. Right now, we do not have anything. So if you want to deposit a coin into this account, for example, let's say Ethereum or Bitcoin, let's use Bitcoin. You click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, this is the Bitcoin address. You can either scan it or copy the wallet address. So if you are sending into this account, you have to copy the address, then go and paste it in any wallet you want to send the money from. And if someone wants to send money to you, this is your wallet address here. Do you understand? All you need to do is copy it, don't type it out, copy it and send it to that person. So that's how it works. If you want to send to someone personally, or if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw, right? So once you click on withdraw, you select the coin, which is Bitcoin, that you want to send. So you paste the particular wallet address you are trying to send the money to. Do you understand? Let's say you are sending to this wallet. This is what it looks like. So once you paste the wallet, you click on BTC. They are going to charge you $5 for the transaction. And then if you are sending all the money in your account, you can click on maximum. Or if you just want to send a particular amount, you type the amount. Let's say you want to send 0.25 BTC, and then you just send it. A code will be sent to your email for verification, and that's how you deposit and withdraw money on Binance. So let's say you want to trade. So you want to see all the markets that are available on Binance. So we have the BTC market, we have the alt market, we have the fiat market, and others. So the BTC market is basically other cryptocurrency against BTC. This means that ETH is the base currency. So one ETH is equivalent to 0.031 BTC. One link is equivalent to 0.009 BTC. And most of the coins that are traded on Binance, the volume comes from the BTC market. Do you understand? Not the fiat market. So when you want to trade altcoins, which are other coins apart from BTC, you want to be trading them against BTC because that's where most of the volume is. So if I want to trade XRP, I can trade it against BTC. Do you understand? So for example, So let's say we want to buy BTC. So this is Bitcoin against Naira. It means one Bitcoin is equivalent to 5.9 million Naira. Do you understand? So let's say we want to buy BTC. Currently, I have USDT in this account. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin with USDT. So this is what the exchange looks like, right? So let's say I want to buy $100 worth of BTC. For this purpose, you don't want to be clicking on this cross margin and isolated margin. Do you understand? I already told you about isolated margin and cross margin in our margin trading lesson. So we want to be clicking on spot. If you are going to be trading margin in any account, it shouldn't be Binance. Binance charges are too much. So you want to be using Bybit to trade margin. That's when you want to borrow money to trade, to take trades. So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin, for example. So we have 159 USD inside this account. You can see that we have limit, market, and stop limit. These are different orders in the market. So market order allows users to trade coins at the current market price. Do you understand? So let's say I want to buy BTC now. It won't allow me, because I'm using market price, it won't allow me to fill in a desired price I want to buy BTC. Do you understand? So it's going to fill in the current price BTC is selling for. That's what it's going to do. It's not going to allow me to choose because I'm using market order. So if I'm buying 0.003 BTC, it means it's going to buy BTC at the current market price, which is 13,125.65 cents. So if I'm just going to click on buy, and then order has been filled. Now I have that in my account. Do you understand? So that's how you buy BTC. You can see that my USDT has reduced from 159 to 120. So let's say I want to sell. I'm just going to click on sell, and I want to sell with market order. I'm going to pull this to show the percentages of my holdings I want to sell. So I want to sell 100% of my BTC at market price. So 100%, this is all the BTC I have, and then I'm going to sell. So you can see that my balance is now 159 USD. So let's talk about limit order. Limit order gives you the opportunity to pick a particular price you want to buy or sell Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. So in this one, you can see that it's giving me the option of price that I want to buy. So Bitcoin is currently selling for 13,128. So let's say I want to buy for 13,100. So, and I want to buy with all my money, right? Or 50% of my money. That's 50% of 159 is 79.8. Do you understand? So once I click on buy, it means it's not going to fill my order yet. It's only going to fill my order when BTC gets to 13,100. Do you understand? It's not going to buy it at the current market price. So once you click on it, it's going to show you down here. Can you see? It's going to show you. So this is your order. This is my open orders. It means BTC USDT limit buy. The price is 13,100. This is the amount I want to buy. Filled. It has not filled anything yet. This is the total amount of money I'm spending to buy this amount of BTC. Do you understand? So that's limit buy. So I can easily cancel it, and then they return my money back to me. Do you understand? That's because it has not filled yet. So for stop limit is for stop loss.